Pin pad device busy. None of them are.
Seems like I don't want to use that one.
It's all completely, all of them are broke.
I got about 8 ounces open.
This is insane. It's like the IP address is not even connecting. It's giving authorization on a credit card that was not even entered. So we'll go through the whole experience again and we'll type it, we'll go ahead and do it. But I'm not seeing that it's working. On every angle, it's not working, guys. I'm sorry. Oh no, I'm recording this. I'm just trying to, get there's nothing that's working on this at all. You can't get. Okay, now it's not connecting with the payment provider. So now, guys, you got to realize, I went to college, I went to law school, and I can't even figure this out. What are you going to do with your clients that are, 40, 50, 60, 70 years old? They're not going to stay around. They're not going to pay you money if you don't. What is your solution? So Getling, we got to do something about this. Getling, you have no choice. So this is a real take. So I'm going to push cancel order, and I just spent 15 minutes on that. So now we're going to talk to a manager and see what a manager has an authorization to do. Is there a manager here, ma'am?
They're floating around somewhere. I know the girl working here is grabbing one first.
Okay.
Sorry for any inconvenience.
Are you a manager?
I am. Yeah. Give me a second, sir. I'm just dealing.
Yeah.
I'll be right there. 2 minutes. I'll be right there.
So anyway, the point is everything that we've done, none of these terminals are on. Every single one have DNS errors. We got a DNS error on this one. It's completely, as you see, it's completely nullified. So Micros has completely no connection to their pin pads. Micros is in a hard reset on this one. All these people want to eat, but there's no way to buy it. You can't even do it. Micros is in a hard reset on this one. Okay. All these people are lined up, but they can't get their food. So the question is, how long can you hold a consumer's attention? How long can you hold a consumer's attention before they're going to walk away?
Here's the other one with our kiosk account. We have are any orders coming in? Are there any orders coming in? Okay, let's go to this kiosk right here. This one will work. So, once again, I apologize. A lot of our kiosks are still getting the bugs knocked out. If it makes you feel any better, I'm going to wait with you. So just to make sure that we're able to get it done. Because as soon as it's done, yours is the first thing that comes out.
David! David!
You're all set. So now you just go over to Blood Rose and wait for your order. You should get a text very soon. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Yeah. If you order from there, do you have to wait?
Let's see if it works. All right, so now we're here. We're gonna go ahead and put in this. We're gonna put a phone number in, 7. Okay, this is a different one. We're gonna dine in. We're gonna go to the barbecue. We're gonna do the brisket. We're gonna go next page. We're gonna get the potato salad. We're gonna do beverages. We're gonna do a Coke. We're gonna go up here to the. Okay, we're gonna go total. Go to checkout. Add the rewards number on the card. And you got to do this. We're going to push go. A repository request denied. So there it is. So we're going to put it on a credit card, and it doesn't even say. I guess you scan it. Enter the card. So this POS is connected now. So Gatling, you guys got to talk to Micros and find out what's going on, because this experience is going to cost you millions of dollars, guys. Everything we're saying has been recorded for the past 20 minutes. No one's going to wait 25 minutes for their food. Now what do? Do I get a number, or what happens? You can't just drop me off after I've given you that money. Did you get some kind of a receipt or a number or anything after you put your credit card?
I just got in line.
Well, no, you can't. They don't do this. You go to that stupid machine. No cash. It's.
Oh, I have no idea. Then.
Yeah. Ma'am, did you? I didn't get a number or my name or anything. Huh? I went to the machine. Is it supposed to give you a name or a number? No.
There's an issue with the machine. What did you order? Did you order already?
Yeah, she's before me.
Hey, we have her order.
Brisket and something, but she's before me for sure. This is from hell. No, there was no receipt, no number, no validation or anything. I just stuck my credit card in the machine, and they just took it, and no confirmation or anything.
Same thing.
This is stupid.
Yesterday, I had an hour and a half long wait there after I ordered my food, and I said, just refund me. This is a joke.
Exactly. Nobody's gonna. And no cash. No one's gonna do this. No one. No.
They have to. There's no options.
Yeah.
I did the pulled pork.
There's no break, right? That's what's on the board. No, it's just as
You could give me a little extra for all the 35 minutes I've been dealing with this.
the cream pork, you think it's red?
No. What'd you order?
What?
What'd you order?
Pulled pork.
It should be good, you know?
I'm excited for it. Hello? Hello?
No, we closed. I'm sorry.
Is that brisket?
Yep, brisket and the potato salad.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry about that.
Thank you very much. Oh, there you go. Did you guys get a number?
This has been a mess.
Oh no, it's disaster. It's a disaster.
They should not be open right now.
No, this is absolutely astronomically stupid.
I ordered something. They didn't even have the chicken I ordered, and I was just like, cancel the order. I don't know what they're having.
Yeah. It's absolutely stupid.
She got they have 2 dishes at the place she got. They don't even have one of the dishes. She's like, don't.
All right, guys, it's a live video. We're in Las Vegas. We're at Resorts World. You just experienced what I experienced. All the microses are down. Everything's happening at once. This is not an experience that a customer wants to have. This is live. There's nothing I can do. I'm not going to edit this. We're going to set it up on YouTube, and we're going to go ahead and put it up on CNN.com. Stand by. We'll talk to you later. And right now, you can take the channel date. We're clear.